Welcome to our lesson on lighting an LED using an Arduino board. In this lesson, we will be showing you how to light an LED using an Arduino board, a resistor, and a breadboard. Before we start, here are a few things you'll need. An Arduino board. Breadboard. LED. A resistor 220 ohms or similar. Jumper wires. With these items ready, let's get started. Step 1. Connect your components. The first step is to connect your components. Connect one end of the resistor to the positive rail of the breadboard and the other end to the anode positive of the LED. Connect the cathode negative of the LED to the ground rail of the breadboard. Finally, connect the positive rail to digital pin 13 of the Arduino board, and the ground rail to the GND pin of the Arduino board. The complete schematic should look something like this. Step 2. Load the code. With your components connected, it's time to load the code. Open the Arduino software, and enter the following code. Void setup. Pin mode 13, output. Closing curly bracket. Void loop. Digital write 13, high. Delay, 1000. Digital write 13, low. Delay, 1000. Step 3. Upload your code. With the code entered, it's time to upload it to your Arduino board. Connect your Arduino board to your computer using a USB cable, then click on the Upload button in the Arduino software. If everything has been set up correctly, the LED should start flashing on and off. And that's it. You've successfully lit an LED using an Arduino board. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily light an LED using your Arduino board, and get started on more complex projects.